All right, guys, you're just starting your low carb or your keto diet and you're sad because you have to give up bread. Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to give up bread. You just got to choose the right kind of breads. So what I'm gonna do in this video is show you that the breads that I go to almost daily to get me through when I need some carbs or when I need to make a sandwich or need to make a burger. What you want to do is look for a keto style bread that will basically keep the carbs low, as low as possible, and that's the net carbs. Okay, so most of the breads say it on the package, so it makes it easy. Some of them say keto real big. Some of them you do have to look at the carb or the nutrition content to make sure it's pretty low carb. So we'll see how many slices that the nutrition is going for. Is it one slice or is it two slices? So make sure you just read up on all that so you are getting exactly what you need to get. But check out these options. Go ahead and write these down or take a picture or something like that, because these are what I use almost daily, and I've tried a lot of them, and I try to go for the best tasting, the softest, and just one that's going to satisfy you. You can also, matters what you put on top, you can also make it satisfy sweet tooth at the same time. So check out some of these options. Let me know in the comments if you have some of the ones that I should try that I haven't seen here. I'm here at HEB, and I'm going to show you the ones that they offer here. I know Walmart has some, Kroger has different ones. So, and hopefully this will help you out on your low carb fitness journey, your keto journey. Just know that you got to give it a little bit of time. You can't just switch to a keto diet after 2 days and just say it doesn't work for me. You have to give your body time to adjust. Check out some of these options. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe if you like videos like this, and I'll keep making this content for you. Okay, so check this out. Now, first up, for breakfast, what I've been having, if you follow any of my other socials of me on Instagram, TikTok at Mr. Mom 713, I post pictures almost daily or videos almost daily of what I'm eating for breakfast, how I get 50 to 60 grams of protein before I even go to the gym and work out. So that if you want to see stuff like that, make sure you go follow me over there, okay? Because I'm posting all the time over there. These, if you can find these are amazing. This is the best tasting bagel I have tried. What I like to do here is I just put some cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese on it. Make sure you measure it out. But check these, but this is the blueberry flavor. I've been having these. They are super soft. Keep these in stock if you can find them. I found them here at HEB. I haven't found them at Kroger, but I found them at HEB, and I've heard that Walmart sells them. I don't know for sure. I haven't looked for at Walmart, but coming in at 4 net carbs. That's what you're looking for in any type of bread or bagel or anything. If you're trying to go low carb or keto, you need to look for the net carbs. A lot of them say it on here. These have to be the tastiest, softest. I know they are because I've talked to people who told me, man, those bagels are so good. Now they also have one that comes in at 6 grams of net carbs. Now this is a cinnamon and raisin. If cinnamon and raisin is your jam, go with these because that will knock out a sweet tooth as well. So you can have these in the morning, and man, or you can have these anytime. Sometimes I'll have it like midday. Whenever that sweet tooth is kicking in, you're like, man, I need something, but I don't want to go over on my carbs. Usually stuff that's sweet has a lot of carbs in it. Let's be real. Let's go ahead and trick ourselves into thinking. And I'm telling you, just try it. Try it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this or if you're willing to try it. Okay. If you can find them, you need to get you some of these. I promise you, they will be good. Okay. So let me know, or let me know either way if they're not good. If you don't like it, you're like, man, those things are terrible. They taste like rubber tires or something, you know, whatever. But let me know. Okay. So check these out. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, snack, anytime. All right. Okay. Now Sola also has a bread. Now this bread right here, sweet and buttery. It says it right there. Coming in at 1 net carb. Okay. Now this is 1 net carb per slice. This bread tastes amazing. Man, Sola is coming through. You need to check this out. If you can find this bread, this one's sweet and buttery. So what I like to do with this one is put a little peanut butter or some almond butter spread on it midday and fold it up and eat that with like half a cup of low carb milk. Takes care of everything right there. It'll fill you up. You're not getting many carbs. You're getting some healthy fats, and this bread, it tastes amazing. I'm telling you, okay, if you can find this one, sweet and buttery, all right? Good thing about a lot of this bread as well, you need to get fiber in your diet. And a lot of this bread comes with a ton of fiber, okay? So like this one has 8 grams of fiber per slice, okay? So that's really good. So those bagels have almost 30 grams of fiber in each bagel, all right? So you're already getting a lot of fiber if you just eat one bagel, low carb, plus they have a lot of protein in them too, okay? One bagel, 14 grams of protein. That's one bagel. You mix this with a ratio yogurt, you got a good protein meal right there, first thing in the morning, okay? So think about that. So you're getting your fiber, you're getting your protein, you're getting low carb. It's just win, 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 all right? So check these out. I'm telling you, don't sleep on these. Now, if your store doesn't have Sola bread, I want you to look for this bread right here. This is the Sara Lee Delight, 45 calorie white bread. This bread is the best tasting low carb white bread I have tried yet. It's keto friendly, so per slice only 6 net carbs, and it literally says keto friendly on there, trying to make it easier for you. Okay, you can do so many options with these. One thing that I like to do with these is make grilled cheese sandwiches out of this. This white bread cooks great. A little bit of butter, a little bit of full fat cheese, and two slices of this, you got a grilled cheese. Man, it's great. Family loves it. So if you can find these, keep these in stock. This is the Sara Lee Delightful 45 calories a slice white bread. If you can't find a Sola, I love, if you like white bread is so, check this out. If you can't find other bread, keep this in stock. I love it. The kids love it. Everybody loves this stuff, okay? So now I made a video already on this to show you, if you have a burger, get the right burger buns. These are the best one. I've tried a couple. These are the best ones I've tried. Nature's Own, the keto, says it real big on their keto. Make it easy on yourself, all right? Now, these are the soft white buns, all right? These are great. They taste great, super soft, just like they say. Make you a burger out of these, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. One thing I did do with these yesterday is I just made myself a sandwich. I used ham, turkey, some cheese, a little bit of cucumber. I just made myself a sandwich and added one of these buns, and it tastes amazing. Okay, so if you can, keep these in stock as well. Have a burger night, all right? But use the right kind of bun, okay? These are the keto buns. If you're going low carb, if you're going keto, look for these buns right here. Now, if you follow any of my other socials, you know I eat these all the time. These right here, all right? Keto sandwich thins. These are really good as well, okay? To make, obviously make sandwiches with them, but you can also, what I like to do in the morning is just put a little cream cheese on them and use them as, you know, with my eggs as a pre-workout meal, or just with breakfast. Instead of using bread, use something that has a lot of fiber, use something that has a lot of protein and that's low carb. So these are coming in 12 grams of protein in one of these. All right, 12 grams of protein, 17 grams of fiber. All right, and you can't beat that. 4 net carbs on one of these. I would highly recommend you look at these right here, the keto sandwich thins. These are great. Keep these in stock. I use them all the time. I do eat this stuff. I don't want you to think I don't. I do eat this, and I eat it for the fiber, for the low carb content, for the protein, and it just tastes great. I'm not gonna eat something that doesn't taste that good. I'm always looking for ways to eat healthiest way possible, but also it's gotta taste good, okay? So that's why I'm here to share this with you, and hopefully this will help you out. Add these to your shopping list. Try one of them. Take them home. See what you think. And I'm telling you, most of these you will probably, like those bagels, if you like bagels, you're gonna try those. You're gonna keep those in rotation. I can almost guarantee it. Let me know if you don't, but I can almost guarantee it. Best things that I've found to put on any of those breads is this right here. This right here, you see it? Chocolate, almond, coconut. Tastes amazing, I'm telling you. You put it on any of those breads I just showed you. If you can find it at your store, get you some of this. You only need a little bit, okay? So this measures out at 2 tablespoons. However, I only end up using like 1 tablespoon on each side. You can put 1 tablespoon on like 2 slices of bread, and it just tastes amazing. You're getting all kinds of healthy fats, plus you're knocking out a sweet tooth, plus you're keeping it low carb because you're using low carb bread, and it's just a win-win-win all the way around. So check this out if you can. If you can find these at your store, these are great. But this one right here, I've had other flavors, but this one right here, this chocolate one, man, chocolate almond coconut switching, and you need some type of sweet, especially a chocolate, and you're like, man, this is gonna help me with my sugar cravings. Try this out. I've been doing this past couple days, and man, it tastes great. So those are some of the options that I have for you. Once again, I'm here at HEB. Just whenever you're looking for a bread, you don't have to give up bread completely, all right? But just because you're switching to low carb or keto, you don't have to give up bread. You have to substitute it. So these are some of the options that I use to substitute whenever I need some bread. Not a problem. I stay ready. If you go out to a barbecue, take your own bread with you. Nothing wrong with that. Just say, I got my own bun. Don't worry about it. Take your own bun with you. It's fine. Nobody cares. Just eat whatever you want to eat, all right? Because you're on your own personal journey. You let them do what they do. You do what you do because you're working on getting yourself better. Let me know in the comments, have any suggestions on other breads that I can try to find. I'm always looking, I'm always willing to try. And whenever I try something good, I'm gonna share it with you because I really want you to succeed and I really want you to enjoy this stuff as much as I do. And so let's keep getting better. I appreciate you watching and I'll talk to you next time. Let's go.